In this video, we're driving on a stretch of road and we're going to be doing a lane change to the left here shortly. So we're going to signal, rear view mirror, side mirror check, a shoulder check to the left. If it's clear, it all checks out, we can move in to the left lane. And up ahead, we can see a double-decker bus waiting to turn left at the intersection. And as we approach, we can see that the advanced turn signal came on and the bus is making a left at that intersection. And the bus took perhaps a little bit longer, and it's a larger vehicle that they have to maneuver. And then the vehicle behind them, they haven't entered into the intersection, they're seeing the yellow arrow. They shouldn't be starting a new turn. Instead, they go ahead and try to make the turn here. And as they're making the turn, the arrow disappears on them. So it's the same idea as seeing the red light as you're going through the intersection. If you see the red light as you're going through the intersection, that means you made the wrong call and you should have waited at the stop line based on where you saw the yellow in the first place. And same idea here with the yellow arrow. The yellow arrow is telling you if you're already in the intersection, go ahead and finish off your turn, but don't start a new turn on the yellow arrow. Again, this is a 4-circle light, so we know after the yellow arrow, we're just going to get a regular green light, and this vehicle could have gone into or should have gone into the waiting position, yielded the way to the oncoming traffic, instead of trying to quickly make another turn and then be turning in front of oncoming traffic when the light has gone to green. And this bus is pulling into a bus stop area here shortly, and so we don't know whether there's going to be enough room there, although sometimes or most times the bus stops are a little bit further into the intersection specifically for that reason, so the bus can come in and perhaps the space for one more vehicle behind the bus. But the main idea here is don't push your luck and start a new turn on a yellow arrow. And sometimes students are like, well, I couldn't see what the light is over here. And again, you will have redundant lights here. So we can see the flashing green arrow here. So even if the double-decker bus was blocking the view of this driver, they could be looking over here at this light and realizing that they're going to be coming up to a yellow arrow. And as this one's disappearing out of sight, they can then see the yellow arrow here and they shouldn't be starting a new turn.